I want to make my juice. I want to do it on time today. So this is just 1 o'clock p.m. I got ready to go out, but I could not because the rain wanna fall. So I'm gonna use this. Use this purple. This. To be honest with you, if you try this thing and it doesn't work, you can stop believing anything that Lily tells you on YouTube. Only. If you try this ingredients, this one, you know the name. This one, and this one. If you have cucumber, you can add it. Anything, you just add them together and enjoy yourself. Okay. My skin, I'm in love with my skin right now. I wear makeup. If I'm not wearing makeup, you see that there's this brightness my skin is giving me. Like, my skin is bright. Oh, I'm not saying your skin must be bright for you to be fine. No, you can have a dark glowing skin. Okay, my skin is glowing. That is the word. I don't have cream that I'm using. The cream I'm using is sold for 7 cedis. 7. That is 500 naira, or even that is around 600 naira. That's the amount of the cream I'm using. I don't like to deceive people. Anything that works for me. You see me, I can actually buy a cream of 200 cedis, but I can buy a cream of 30,000 naira if I have it and it's work. I can buy it, but the problem is they are not working on me. You see all this organic blah 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 they are doing on Instagram. It doesn't work for me. For now, I've not found the one that works. So what I do is I drink these things for dinner. And guys, I am in love with my stomach. My stomach is looking flat. Drink this every day and thank me. Okay, this is what it's. I want this to be a lifestyle, not just something I do for fun. This is gonna be like a lifestyle. I want to be that 40 years old lady that everybody will be like, when I tell them I'm 40, I want them to be like, I'm lying. The mission to accomplish that in the next 5 years starts now. Okay, it starts now. Don't let anybody fool you. Waist trainer, I bought waist trainer. It's not working. It's there. I'm tired. I can't even wear it. I cannot wear it. I'm eating right now. I'm eating right. Eat right. It's not expensive. Okay. If I want to drink Coke or anything, I'll be like, oh, let me just keep that money. I use it to buy fruit and enjoy myself. Okay. Glowing skin. Glowing skin. Let me go outside and show you my skin. You may not see it here. You just look at that skin. Look at the skin that uses cream. Cream of 500 naira. 7 cedis. Who be that? Who be that? We have visitors. Go inside, Wendy. So that's what I want to do. That's why I drink. I read a comment where Cindy Apollo I should do a skincare routine, and I was laughing. I was laughing hard because I don't have any skincare routine. I just use normal things, cheap things, very affordable. Anybody can buy. The soap I'm using is 5 cedi. The cream I'm using is 7 cedi. 7 cedi. Yeah, you heard me. 7 cedi. That's what I'm using. So let's see if I can show you guys a bit of the process. Okay, let's go inside and show you guys the process. This is after peel. I have peeled everything and decided to choose what I want from it. I'm starting out with watermelon, followed by pineapple and other things. I don't peel my lemon, I just watch it thoroughly and use it like this, because I believe that even the skin is medicinal. Just add a little bit of water just to enable it, to encourage the stuff to blend. That's why I'm adding the water. So I have blended it to be smooth. Break this black cloth here is properly washed. Let me from inside. So this is how I'm going to filter it. You can see I got a lot of juice already, just from that little that I took. You can. That is my beautiful girl sitting right there. I'm getting her out. As I showed you earlier in the video, if you watch that part, that is if you watch the part, this is watermelon, pineapple, carrots, lemon and ginger. I blended and filter it into this bottle. So this is 8:50 something, almost 9 o'clock. But before I start filming this video, it was 8:50 something p.m. I had dinner, very light, not very light, I would say very small, because I got busy today. I couldn't finish what I was doing on time. I couldn't meet up on time. By the time I get home, it was already past 7. Before I could get something fixed to eat, it was already 8 o'clock, so it's late. I ate very tiny something, just something small, but then it's carb. So I'm going to be using this to flush it out. I'm going to use this to flush it out. If you have sweet mouth, if you are the type that likes sweet things, I would advise you don't put lemon. Because lemon will make the taste not to be very sweet. But it's not bad though. But there's that lemon taste in it. So if you don't like sweet, if you are the type that like sweet things, you can just ignore the lemon or the lime. Just use the other fruits that I have mentioned. Tomorrow morning I will tell you guys what I have observed so far since I started doing this detox whatever. I'm gonna let you guys know what my experience have been so far. All right guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Ciao. Good morning, welcome back to another day. So I told you guys that last night I told you guys I was going to talk to you about my experiences since I started doing natural fruit juice detox. My skin was looking dull. I've not been able to get my skin back ever since I had my baby. So since I started doing this natural fruit juice therapy, this natural fruit juice detoxing, I have noticed so many things that I like about myself. My skin is gradually coming back to its normal self. And another thing again is, let me show you. Let me drop this phone. Another thing again I've noticed, you can see my tummy. It's not like 100% where I want it to be or where it used to be, but it has gone from the one I didn't like to here, and I'm proud of it. I'm happy for this result. So another thing is this place. I used to have severe pain here. It's my ankle here, this ankle here, these bones, this joint, this one. I used to experience severe pain since I gave birth to Wendy, and I complained to my elder sister, and she was telling me it's because I recently put to bed and all of that. But my baby is a year old now, though I started this journey when she turned exactly 1 year. Before she turned 1 year, and ever since I started, I'm feeling good. I'm still feeling pain, but not like before. Before I was so worried, what if anything happens and I can't use my hands? So now I'm feeling better. The pain is just dull in there, like small, which means that it might eventually to go if I continue. So I don't see any reason not to continue. The fruits are not that expensive, especially if you're buying in wholesale price. I usually, hey, don't do that. Go to the market. I usually buy like 1 watermelon. I buy pineapple. I buy other things. There in the market, they are cheap. With 20 cedis, I can achieve a lot and have them stock in the fridge and just use it. I can do that for like 3 times with the one I buy for 20 cedis. Less than 2,000 naira. Less than $5. You get in a whole week. It's fair to give my body what it needs. That is what I have observed about it. I cannot speak for my hair because it's too early. Yeah, but my skin, I love it. I'm using the cream I'm using is just Maybe one day I'll show you. The reason I don't want to show you guys is some people here, holier than thou people, all these fake it till you make it class of people come and tell me, hey, what kind of cream is that? It's too cheap. It's not because I don't have money to buy expensive cream if I want, if I see the one that works for me. The problem is I can't find what works for my skin easily. The one I'm using now is sold for 7 cedis. I'm not a moisturizer person, but once in a while I use it on some parts of my face and my body. So, and the soap I'm using is 5 cedi, very cheap. You can see. All right, thank you. I'll see you guys another time. Ciao.